Today we are going to talk about how to calculate how much pigment you will need for your epoxy pour. There is no exact science to this process since it is all subjective to what you are looking for. But there is a way to predict the look you are going for while mixing. We recommend using a clear or white bucket since the color could be skewed if you use a black or orange bucket. We use both Epoxy and black diamond metallic pigments in our shop. We use a paint mixer in our cordless drill to mix the epoxy. You want to make sure you are looking at the transparency of the epoxy at the desired depth of the pour you are doing. If you need more color, you can repeat the first step and add more color as desired. Make sure you have mixed the pigment into the epoxy thoroughly so you get an even look. Once you are happy with the color of the epoxy, you are ready to pour. Make sure you are wearing safety glasses while mixing and pouring epoxy. Let us know if you have any questions or comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more weekly content like this.